was the first time I ever got rejected from a restaurant here in Korea. They require that 2 people eat at that restaurant, so unfortunately I can't go review it, so that kind of sucks. But we're gonna look for a Vietnamese restaurant around here and then get some food. Pretty much found the restaurant that I wanted to go to, so we're gonna get some Vietnamese food here, and then hopefully I won't get rejected. Oh, so they have it in Vietnamese too. So phở bò, phở cây, bún bò Huế, bún thịt nướng, cơm xương, gỏi cuông, chai giò. I think there's big serving here, and they even have Cafe Sua here. So this restaurant's not super huge. They have a couple tables here, or you can sit on the floor. Kitchen's in the back. They actually have a huge pot over there where they make the pho broth. And then they have seats over there where you can sit on the floor. They even have tương, ớt, chopsticks, Vietnamese style. And then soybeans with this ya, cilantro, chili peppers, and this is Korean pickled radish. But they have real Vietnamese people working here in the back. So I know pretty much this place is pretty authentic for the most part. Okay, so here we have is our phut duck biếc. If you don't know what this is, there is rice noodles inside, onions, green onions, slices of beef, and this is a big slice of pork, I believe. It's like a pork blend. And then the broth is usually made out of beef base and bones. So we squeeze some lime in it, put our cilantro, if you want to add chili peppers, and then if you want to add soybeans. So what you want to do is you want to push the soybeans to the bottom so it cooks the soybeans. So I'm getting this noodle pole ready for an Instagram shot, but I figured I'd show you guys the noodle pole. When you're drinking the broth, it's like a rich beefy broth flavor, so normally for Vietnamese pho, bones and broth is like simmered for long periods of time, so all the fat, all the bones, the marrow, it becomes this rich stock. I totally did not expect to get good pho in Korea. This definitely hits the spot after getting rejected from the seafood location. I do have to say though, everybody's preference on pho is different since each broth is made differently. Everybody compares it back to their mom's cooking. But I think this is really good for a restaurant. Yeah, so we got our Vietnamese coffee. So Cafe Sua literally means coffee with ice and milk. They already put the milk in here, so they mixed it up. But it's usually like a dark, rich coffee with sweetened milk. I'm pretty excited to try this. I miss like Vietnamese food and coffee so much. This actually really hits the spot. It's good. So what you need to know from like the difference between Vietnamese coffee and like Korean style coffee is that this Vietnamese coffee is usually stronger. It's like really rich, sweet, and you get a strong coffee taste. I am so full and so satisfied that I ate at that Vietnamese restaurant. The chef that I was talking to, she's actually been living here in Korea for 20 years, and I asked her, I was like, do you know how to speak Korean too? She's like, yeah. And I was like, oh my god, you know how to speak Korean, Vietnamese, and a little bit of English as well. I was like, oh, this is great. Before heading back though, I will get some dumplings. It's right next to my hotel, so I've been pretty much wanting to eat there, seeing how I see people eating there all the time. So we'll try out some dumplings to see if it's good. So they have like gogi mandu and kimchi mandu here at this location. If you're looking for the restaurant name, It's right here. This is the restaurant storefront. It's located really on the corner of the main intersections and near Guemho station. Here we go. The English word is Korean Dumpling. So they have kimchi mandu here, kalbi mandu. I'm not sure what that one is. But it's pretty much steaming here and we'll get it. So there's the kalbi mandu. We ordered one order of it. Here we have one order of kalbi mandu, and then this is the pickled radish, and here we have is sauce. I believe it's soy sauce. Yep. But here you get 6 for 3,000 won. I'm gonna take a bite now.